Hi, Paddy here from X-Fleet in Colne. Here is our Land Rover Range Rover Vogue. It's a 3 litre SD V6. This is a one owner from new car. It'll be supplied with full manufacturer service history, the last one being the 3rd of December 2020. You'll also receive the balance of the manufacturer warranty, which expires in November 2021. It's in Carpathian Grey with 21-inch 7-split spoke alloy wheels. The vehicle's done 19,750 miles and is in showroom condition. We offer a full range of finance products, including personal contract purchase, hire purchase, lease purchase or cash sale. In a moment we'll take a closer look. Here we are, let's take a closer look. As we look around the bodywork, you can see it's in immaculate condition, as it should be for a 2-year-old vehicle. No dents, no scratches, no scrapes. Alloys are absolutely spotless, and the tyres have great tread. As you can see, it's fit with rear privacy glass on the vehicle. Alloys again, not a scratch. Rear parking sensors down there. Again, this side, fantastic. Let's take a closer look inside the vehicle. As you can see, we've got the Ebony Perforated Windsor Leather seats, all in immaculate condition. One of the great extras there is the panoramic sliding sunroof. We've got heated front and rear reclining seats that are controlled on the door card. The door card is in grand black veneer finish. Let's take a look in the rear of the vehicle. Again, door card in fantastic condition with the seat controls on the door. Brilliant sound system. We have got dual zone climate control with USB port and 12-volt socket. Seats again, immaculate. Let's have a look at the rear of the vehicle. As you can see, it is fit with the electric Gesture Tailgate. We've got the full-size spare wheel under there. And we can also do this. We can put the seats flat in the back. It takes a while because it's putting the front seats down as well. Then, great boot space. To close the boot, you literally just press that button. Let's have a look inside at some of the specification. We've got heated steering wheel, limiter, lane departure warning, voice control, Bluetooth. There's your mileage, 19,700. We've got reversing camera. We've got satellite navigation. We've got television. As we said before, heated seats. We've got a fridge. We've got 2 extra USB sockets, and we've also got a SIM card. The vehicle is supplied with the 2 original keys. One of the great options on this car is keyless entry, so you simply step up and open the door. Let's take a quick look at its 3 litre engine. This vehicle emits 199 grams per kilometre of carbon dioxide, which means the tax is only £145 a year. I hope you liked the video, and I hope it gave you a better insight into the vehicle. If you're interested in a quotation or you'd like to speak to us, our number is 01282 857 777, or you can visit our website, which is www.xfleetcars.co.uk. Thank you, goodbye.